Ever wondered what the biggest challenge is for beginners in fish farming? The answer might surprise you. It's not the feeding or the breeding, but getting started. And that's precisely why today we're going to delve into the step-by-step process of starting your very own tilapia farm. Step 1, choose the right breed of tilapia. Not all tilapia are created equal. Some breeds grow faster and are more resistant to diseases than others. Nile tilapia, blue tilapia, and Mozambique tilapia are some of the most popular choices for beginners due to their hardiness and fast growth rate. The second step involves setting up your fish farm. You can use a fish pond, a fish tank, or even a plastic drum, depending on your available space and budget. Ensure that the water in your chosen container is clean and free of contaminants. Also, remember that tilapia thrive in warm water, so ensure the water temperature stays between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius. The third step is feeding your tilapia. Tilapia are omnivorous and can eat a wide range of foods. You can feed them commercial fish feed, algae, rice bran, or even kitchen scraps. However, for optimal growth, it is recommended to use a balanced commercial fish feed. Step 4 is all about reproduction. Tilapia are prolific breeders. Under optimal conditions, a female tilapia can reproduce every 4 to 6 weeks. It's essential to separate the young ones from the adults to prevent cannibalism. The fifth and final step is harvesting your tilapia. Depending on the breed and the conditions, tilapia can be ready for harvest between 6 and 9 months. The fish should be at least 1 pound at the time of harvest for maximum profit. In conclusion, starting a tilapia farm involves choosing the right breed, setting up your fish farm, feeding your tilapia, managing reproduction, and harvesting your fish. Remember, the key to successful fish farming is knowledge and patience. It may seem daunting at first, but with time and experience, you will soon be reaping the fruits of your labor. So, to recap, today we've covered the 5 steps to starting your own tilapia farm. We've talked about the importance of choosing the right breed of tilapia, the basics of setting up your fish farm, and maintaining the right water temperature, the importance of a balanced diet for your tilapia, the breeding habits of tilapia, and finally, the right time to harvest your tilapia for maximum profit. Starting a tilapia farm might seem like a daunting task, but remember, every expert was once a beginner, and with the knowledge you've gained today, you're well on your way to becoming a successful tilapia farmer.